In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert video to audio on Android. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, go to your Google Play Store, then go to search, and then search for video to audio converter. So here you are going to choose the well-rated app. So I'm going to tap on this one, then install this app on your Android phone. Now once it has installed, you are going to tap on open. Then you can select the language. I'm going to leave it on English. So tap on done on the top right corner. Then you can cancel this one. Then once it has opened, you are going to tap on select video. Then allow. Then you can go to your phone gallery or your file explorer. So I'm going to choose the video which I want to convert. So I'm going to choose the first one here. Then tap on convert. So once you are here, you are going to tap on that file icon on the top right corner. Then you are going to see the video here. So tap on those three dots beside the converted video. Then tap on open with. Then as you can see, this is the audio file, so you can listen to it. So it is already downloaded on your Android phone. So that's really it, guys. That's how to convert video to audio on Android phone. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.